Did you enjoy singing when you were younger? Why not?
I was enjoyed to sing several songs because these songs were given me a lot of jubilation and celebration.
Okay. How often do you sing now? Why?
I am like to sing Rahat Fateh Ali Khan song. The song is Your Attractive Eyes, Your Attractive Eyes.
Okay. Do you have a favorite song you like listening to? Why not?
I am like to listen several singers songs, but one of my favorite singers is Ataf Aslam, and the song is Khudaya Ve. The song is very famous in my country because the lyrics and composing is Wesa.
Okay. How important is singing in your culture? Why?
Singing is played vital role in any culture because singing is given me a lot of information about tradition and unity with massive cognition of excellence.
Okay. Your cue card topic. Describe a film movie actor from your country who is very popular. You should say who this actor is, what kinds of films, movies she acts in, what you know about this actor's life, and explain why this actor is so popular. Your time starts now.
According to my opinion, there are several types of actors in my country, but one of my favorite actor is Humayun Saeed. He is considered as finest and greatest iconic stardom celebrity of Pakistan. He is considered as gem of compassion, passion, listening, association, and several multitasking activity. He has been gained household name with brilliance of excellence. His brainstorming is superb. He can perform every role in film or dramas. He has been done a comedy and emotional drama series. Therefore, I like him very much, this actor.
Okay. Part 3. What are the most popular types of film in your country?
Mm, people are people are like several types of films in my country, but most people are like to watch Punjabi movies in my country.
Okay. What is the difference between watching a film in the cinema and watching a film at home?
There are a lot difference between cinema and house, uh, such as there are so crowd in cinemas and we are enjoying different scenes in large screen and loud voice. But we are watched movies in home, and then we have watched movies on smart screen in TV and LED.
Okay. Do you think cinemas will close in the future?
Recently, we are going towards in terrific and tremendous direction with massive combination of excellence. Mm, The world is changed due to technology, and people will be busy in life in future, and cinema will be closed in future.
So, the cinema will be closed in future. How important is the theatre in your country's history?
Theaters are played important role in my country because theater are promoted motivation and self-belief and self-confidence in
Individuals.
individuals.
Okay. How strong a tradition is it today in your country to go to the theatre? How strong?
Every individual are pursuing to spend some times in theater because individuals are wanted to get some rest and entertainment in our lives.
Okay. Do you think the theatre should be run as a business or as a public services?
Secondly,
Do you think the theatre should be run as a business or as a public service?
theater should be run as a business because the owner of theaters should be obtain high rates shows for shows because actors are performed in theaters, and actors are taken some charges for performing.
Public sector views.
Theaters are played important role because theaters are given a lot of chances to public entertainment, joining and unity with each together.
Unity, entertainment and laughing.
Laughing.
ओके ठीक है जी थैंक यू वेरी मच अल्लाह हाफिज़